Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where updates are underway, please keep your computer on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So the first solution is obvious. Just wait. Wait and let things improve. In a while it may be done. Sometimes it may take up to a few hours, but if you are very confident that it is stuck, in that case try running the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side and select Check for Updates in the right pane. Should this not help, then the last solution will be a system restore. Now I'll tell you why I suggest a system restore, because it will stop all the services and put your system in the restore process, and then it will revert to the previous changes. So the updates will also be reverted. Search for recovery in the Windows search bar and open recovery. Go to open system restore. Select choose a different restore point. Next, choose a good restore point. Next, and finally click on finish and then click on yes to initiate the system restore process. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.